Convenient. It's a word that I gravitate toward. If there's a convenient fabric pack bundled with the yardage needed for a project, I buy it. When a new thread chest with all needed thread options in one place became available, I added it to my shopping list. So when it came to customizing my sewing room with furniture, I looked again for convenience, specifically the ease of storing my sewing machine. Welcome to the 5th video in the Koala Advantage series. This time, the Koala Convenience Advantage with the electric glide lift. Unlike the sewing machines and cabinets our grandmothers used, our machines are used in multiple positions. We want and need easy access to the free arm, flatbed, and embroidery sewing option. Koala gives us that convenience. Exclusive to Koala Studios and companion pieces is the electric glide lift. This totally convenient feature allows us to raise or lower the machine by flipping a toggle switch below the cabinet area or using a remote control. Here's how. Koala's electric glide lift is made up of a lift and platform. The platform is fully supported with 2 rails and an undercarriage. This platform travels up and down on 2 steel tracks. A lift actuator powers it. The platform is able to securely hold the largest of today's sewing machines. There are 2 ways to raise and lower your machine with the electric glide lift. To move the machine from the flatbed, as I have here, to the free arm, I'm going to remove the custom-made wood insert. Now this insert is exclusive to Koala. Notice it matches the same veneer and color of the Studio. Because it's wooden and not acrylic, the fabric will not snag or catch on that insert. So to use the free arm, simply going to depress and move up the machine, accessing the free arm of the sewing machine. If you'd like to do embroidery, raise the platform to the highest position so that it's flush with the top of the Studio. Then attach the embroidery unit. This balanced support system keeps the machine stable while sewing or embroidering. In other words, your machine will never vibrate even when sewing at the fullest speed. Remove the embroidery unit to show you how easily the platform may be lowered. Now if I'd like to return this to the sewing position, simply again put in the custom-made insert. Now you may want to just fine-tune this so that it's perfectly flush with the surface. Now to store the machine, again remove the insert. This time I'm going to place it on the shelf below where it can be housed. And then depress the button. Easy as that. I mentioned earlier that there are 2 options to raise and lower the machine. Simply going to turn off the remote control option and then use the toggle switch conveniently placed directly below the Studio. Raise it and lower it. How convenient is that? Now to make your Studio into a continuous surface, use the wooden insert. Again, another exclusive feature from Koala. Fits into place, matches the surface, and it's continuous and beautiful surface. Convenience. It's another Koala advantage with the electric glide lift, an exclusive Koala feature. I encourage you to visit a Koala dealer and discover how a Koala Studio can be customized for you. You can also discover more about Koala Studios online at sewingandcraftclub.com. Enjoy!